Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my bathroom where we are doing hopefully an informative and fun but quick video. I am getting ready in the morning and I am going to try out all of my products or most of my products from my first ever order of Seoul Beauty Club, which is a beauty skincare subscription. You can subscribe or you can buy one box or whatever from Korea. It's skincare from Korea. Korean skincare from Korea. Literally, it is shipped from Seoul. So, the way that it works in the quickest terms possible, because we got stuff to do today and I don't want to take a whole lot of your time. The way it works is you sign up, you take a little skincare quiz, and it curates a list of products that it advises you try. And then from that, depending on the value of the products, you get to pick somewhere between like 5 and 7 products that come in your box for your fee. I want to say this was $69 and I think I got $15 off. So, for me, trying this out was actually a really, really great deal. And I've got 5 products in here, none of which I have tried before. They are all brand new to me. And I am very excited to try hopefully most of them right now because I'm like, I gotta get ready. Oh, I should throw on some skincare. Great opportunity to do this. One of the smaller things that was in here is this Soothing Mask Expert. Soothing Triple Mint Complex containing peppermint, spearmint, apple mint. It's going to be a tingly mask. I didn't realize that, but this is just your traditional sheet mask. Not something I'm going to use right now, but the other 4 products, hopefully, are. And we're going to do things in order of operations. This is what made me think about opening the box. This is the Ingredients. Here we go. Ingredients Skin Barrier Moisture Deep Cleanser. You are going to have to excuse the lawnmower sounds. It's just the timing. Last time they came to do our lawn, they came at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So do I know when they're going to come? No. Anyway, you should know that all of the products I chose were exclusively for really dry, damaged skin barrier. My skin needs all the hydration it could possibly get products. That's my skin type currently in my current stage of life. So if you're acne prone, for example, that's probably not going to be for you. So, directions. When cleansing, dispense an appropriate amount and create enough foam with water. Massage onto face and rinse off with lukewarm water. That's easy enough. This is what it looks like. Wow, this foams up really nicely. Look at that. Wow. I'll tell you something interesting right away, and I don't know if it's just me, but I use these towels all the time. These are the single-use towels. You can buy them at Costco, Sam's Club, but the original brand is like the Clean Skin Club, which is the brand I currently have, but when I run out, I will be buying the ones from Sam's Club because they duped it. But what's interesting is my skin is still like wet, even though I have dried my skin. So it is actively keeping water on my skin, which makes a whole lot of sense. So now I have 2 different options here. One is a moisturizer serum combo, which I want to use as a moisturizer, and then this is a silk peptide ampule. So we're going to try this next. This is something that has like gold pieces in it, and okay, well, this is not what I was expecting to see. It full on, what? It full on looks like a vial of medicine. What in the world? How to use. Remove cap from ampule and applicator. Draw 1 to 2 milliliters of solution. Apply evenly to the skin. You literally stick it through the rubber on the top. Oh. What? It said 1 to 2. I feel like 2 is way too much. This is just about 1. It's not quite 1, but... And then it's the... What in the... Okay, so here's the thing. My hand... Oh. My gosh. All right, let me make sure all that's... Well, I must say that's the most fun I've had with with getting my skincare ready to be put on. Holy moly. Okay. So we'll put that on. This feels very liquidy. It's giving me dewy. I always, pro tip, anytime I'm putting stuff on my face, I put it down on my neck too. We want to keep that neck from aging, right? Okay. Collagen, silk water, 30 types of peptides, and panthenol. Deep collagen and silk peptide intensive ampule thing. Okay. So we're going to just let that sit for 30 seconds or so, let that soak in. That was wickedly fun. I had something in my eye now, but you know, that's fine. That was so fun. All right, that absorbed really quickly. Now I'm a little bit tacky, but sometimes that's what happens. So then the next thing I have is this Gil House Serum Ultra Moisture Jojoba Serum and Cream combo. And I had to translate the ingredient or the instructions on the side. I used Google Translate to help me understand what exactly I was supposed to do with this product. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. And it's got its little applicator here. And then when you open it, whoop, when you open it, there's the jelly serum on one side and the intense moisturizer on the other. And so what you're supposed to do, and what I'm actually going to do, is take the product off the lid. You're supposed to mix them together. So you take your little guy and you take moisturizer and you take the serum, boop, and then you're supposed to mix them together. And it does say it can be used separately, but why not? Mix it together and apply to your face. It smells, honestly, it smells like the skincare section of Whole Foods. So whatever ingredient is in the air in there is also here. This is it is not heavy feeling, but it is very hydrating feeling. Oh my gosh, look how glowy I am. Holy moly. All right. Again, down the neck. Okay. So, those are the 3 skincare products that I have in terms of like moisturize, cleanse, treat, right? Now, the last thing I got, which admittedly I am absolutely terrible about using SPF products on the regular. If I'm going outside and I'm knowing I'm going to like go on a boat or to the beach or to the theme park and sit outside and be outside, go hiking, things like that, then I'll put sunscreen on, but I am not good, admittedly, at the day-to-day. So I also got, by this brand here, Dr. Curacle. This is their Hydra Barrier Sunscreen with broad spectrum SPF 50. I'm gonna be so glowy. Bless, somebody at the hotel we were staying at this past weekend looked at me, and I had been interacting with her on and off throughout our entire stay as we've been coming and going to the hotel. And the other day, as we were checking out, she looked at me and she goes, I just have to tell you, you are beautiful. You have this glow about you, and I have just been looking at you the entire time you've been here. You are radiant. And I was completely taken aback, because that is something no one has ever told me before. I've been told I have nice skin, which I always roll my eyes at because my skin is going through such a dry period right now that in my brain, my skin is awful. But from the outside looking in, my skin is apparently very clear, very glowy, so I'm doing something right. But it was just the most woman-to-woman compliment I have ever gotten, and it took me aback. So apparently, the glow be glowing. So today, I actually feel like I'm glowing too. All right, and then we just take a little bit of the sunscreen. There's not a whole lot of sun happening today, but it does not smell at all. There is zero fragrance. It doesn't even smell like sunscreen. Wow. All right. So there we go. Now, I'm ready to go run my errands for the day. I am not a wear makeup on errands day person unless I'm going somewhere specific to like see somebody or go out to lunch or coffee or whatever. I won't put any makeup on just to go to Target and Costco and things like that. So this is me for the day. I'm not gonna lie, my skin feels fabulous. Fabulous. So that is my Seoul Beauty Club box. So here is the good news is for all that I got, like I said, I got basically 4 main products and then I got this. And with the discount that I got for my first box, I want to say it was in the $55 range. $55 for 4 Korean skincare products in its full size and a mask is really not bad if you think about it. Like if I looked these up and tried to figure out where to buy them here in America, would I be able to find them on par for that price or cheaper? I do not know. But for the opportunity to try these things, I think it was a great deal. So the good news is this was a great deal. The shipping was a lot faster than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to take like a week or 2 to get here, and it was here in like 4 days. It was very, very fast. I don't know how they did that. So they say it's from Seoul. What I think is actually happening here, let me see. Yeah. So what I think is actually happening here, it's not shipped directly from Seoul. The products are shipped from Seoul to a warehouse in Compton, California. That must be what happens. And then they pull the Korean-based products from the warehouse in Compton, California, and then they ship them, which is how it got here in 4 days. Because I was like, there's no way that it's going to get here in 4 days if it came from Seoul. I'm wondering if when the company started, things shipped directly from Seoul, and now that it's gotten big enough, they started housing things in the United States. That's my hypothesis. I have done zero research. Okay? Wow, my skin looks and feels fabulous. Holy moly. So my fear is I'm going to love all of these things, and I'm not going to be able to find them in a even more affordable manner. Is the answer, I'm just going to subscribe to this every 2 months and get the same products? I don't know. But we'll see. So that is my first impressions, first real-time use of the Seoul Beauty Club. In the comments below, let me know if you have ever used Seoul Beauty Club or any authentically Korean skincare. And if you love it, if you have a product recommendation. For my incredibly dry, please, please, please hydrate the living daylights out of this glowy skin so I can keep that glow that evidently I have. Let me know. Let me know in the comments below what some of your favorite Korean beauty skincare products are, or if you are a member of the Seoul Beauty Club or have used it in the past, what your thoughts are on the products and the service. And thank you so much for being here. I'm off to run my errands. Take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.